Okay. Good morning, students. Last period we had already studied about preparation of haloalkane and haloarine. You know what is haloalkane? What is haloalkane? That is Rx. Haloalkane is Rx or haloarine is ARX. Already we are studying about the process of preparation of haloalkane and haloarine. Yes or no? Today we will discuss about halogen exchange called halogen exchange. Halogen exchange mean in this section already you have a halogen and there is a process of exchange of halogen. Okay, means there is already a halogen group, means there is already a alkyl halide. Especially here halogen is chlorine or bromine and we have to exchange it by another halogen. Okay, in this process the first one important reaction is Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction. In this reaction, haloalkane, that is haloalkane means chlorine or bromine react with sodium iodide. Rx react with sodium iodide. In this haloalkane, X is chlorine or bromine. Means in this haloalkane already there is a halogen. It may be chlorine or bromine, but there is another halogen in NaI. So in this reaction exchange of halogen takes place and the product will be Ri. What is Ri? Alkyl iodide plus NaX. Alkyl iodide plus NaX. Okay, the important one is whenever you asked to write Finkelstein reaction, you have to use catalyst, that is acetone, dry acetone. Okay, so your first halogen exchange reaction is Finkelstein reaction. What happened in this reaction? In this reaction, haloalkane means that is chloroalkane or bromoalkane react with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone to form alkyl iodide plus NaX. Consider one example. Suppose CH3CH2Cl. Name of this compound is chloroethane. Chloroethane react with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone. Then halogen exchange takes place. Iodine exchange with that chlorine and becomes CH3CH2I plus NaCl. Okay, this reaction is called halogen exchange reaction or specific Finkelstein reaction. Okay, next one. This is the specific preparation of iodine, only for iodine. If you generally consider preparation of haloalkane, then there is a compound like chloroethane, bromoethane. But if you want to prepare iodoethane, yes, if you want to prepare iodoethane or ethyl iodide, this is iodoethane or ethyl iodide, then you have to use this equation. only for iodoethane. Okay, next one is Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction. Like Finkelstein reaction, in Schwarz reaction, exchange of fluorine takes place. What? Exchange of fluorine, that is by the compound AgF, silver fluoride, by the compound silver fluoride. Okay. In this reaction also, haloalkane, that is chlorine or bromine, react with AgF, silver fluoride. Previous reaction was about iodine, sodium iodide, NaI, and this reaction is about silver fluoride. This is a metal fluoride. So in this reaction, again exchange of halogen takes place. We react with, we mix the compound a haloalkane and silver fluoride and heat it. Then again halogen exchange takes place and product will be Rf plus AgX. Okay, our main product is Rf, that is alkyl fluoride or fluoroalkane. If you consider this example, then CH3CH2Br. Previous time we have taken chlorine. Now consider bromine. This is bromoethane or ethyl bromide. This is bromoethane or ethyl bromide. You have to say bromoethane because IUPAC name is more preferable. Bromoethane react with silver fluoride and just heat it. Okay, listen. In bromoethane there is already a halogen, that is bromine. It may be bromine or chlorine, not other halogen, and it reacts with silver fluoride. So fluorine substitute this bromine and compound become CH3CH2F plus AgBr. What is the name of this compound? Yes, CH3CH2Br. Fluoroethane. Or ethyl fluoride. Fluoroethane or ethyl fluoride. Now, how to write this reaction in a sentence form? How to write? In Schwarz reaction, halogen exchange takes place. What takes place? Halogen exchange takes place. Whenever you react with alkyl halide, suppose bromoethane with silver fluoride and heated it, then halogen exchange takes place and product will be fluoroethane and AgBr. Okay, understand? This is about two important halogen exchange reaction. First one is called Finkelstein reaction and second was the Schwarz reaction. Okay. Now come to another one important reaction, that is Sandmeyer reaction. It is important for your exam, important preparation of haloarine. What? Sandmeyer reaction. Next, Sandmeyer reaction. It is a method of preparation of haloarine. Preparation of haloarine. It is a process of method of preparation of haloarine. Already we have studied about preparation of haloalkene. Main preparation of haloalkene is from alcohol. You know, alcohol react with PCl5, PCl3, SOCl2 like this to form haloalkane. But if you consider haloarine, the important preparation is Sandmeyer reaction. What is Sandmeyer reaction? In Sandmeyer reaction, you know a compound, this NH2. When benzene ring contain NH2 group, this is called aniline or aminobenzene. This is aniline or aminobenzene. Okay. The important one of Sandmeyer reaction is this aniline react with NaNO2 and HCl. Mixture of NaNO2 HCl. In your equation, it may be like this, or NaNO2 plus HCl above arrow mark. Okay. Now, when NaNO2 and HCl mix, it will give a compound HNO2. Okay. It may be there in your book, but especially NaNO2 plus HCl. When NaNO2 HCl react with HNO2, the product will be a diazonium salt. This is called diazonium salt, N2Cl. Diazonium, diazo is N2, N is called azo, AZO. So it is called diazonium. Di means, listen carefully. Di means 2. Azo means nitrogen. 2 nitrogen. Diazonium salt or chloride. 2 diazonium salt. This is a diazonium salt, diazonium compound. This N2Cl is represented by N2 plus and Cl minus because there are 2 nitrogen. Okay. Above benzene ring there are 2 nitrogen, so it is represented as N2Cl or N2 plus Cl minus. Now your product is aniline is converted into N2Cl, benzene. In this benzene ring, that is N2Cl, use Cu2Cl2. Okay. If you use Cu2Cl2, then nitrogen gas will revert and the product will be benzene and Cl, that is chlorobenzene. Okay. Similarly, if you use Cu2Br2, okay, if there is Cu2Cl2, then product is chlorobenzene. If there is Cu2Br2, that is bromine, the product will be bromobenzene. This is Br, bromobenzene. Okay. Now you have to remember first, in this Sandmeyer reaction, first aniline is converted into diazonium salt, benzene diazonium chloride, benzene NH2 converted to benzene N2Cl. Then this N2Cl benzene diazonium chloride, when react with Cu2Cl2, it gives chlorobenzene. If it react with Cu2Br2, it gives bromobenzene. Now for iodine, preparation of fluorine is not possible. Preparation of chlorine and bromine only possible. Preparation of fluorine is, that is fluorobenzene, is not possible. If you want to prepare iodobenzene, then you have to use potassium iodide, Ki. Then the product will be iodobenzene. Important. Fluorobenzene is not possible. Okay. Now revise again the whole reaction. This Sandmeyer reaction important. First, we have to take aniline. Aniline react with NaNO2 and HCl to gives benzene diazonium chloride N2Cl. Then in haloarine, it may be fluorobenzene, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene or iodobenzene. fluorobenzene is not possible because it is a fast reversible reaction and your original product again come back. So it is not possible. For chlorobenzene, use Cu2Cl2. Your product will be chlorobenzene. For bromobenzene, use Cu2Br2. Your product will be bromobenzene. For iodobenzene, use Ki, potassium iodide. Then your product will be iodobenzene. Okay. This is all about your preparation of haloalkane and haloarine, and last one is the Sandmeyer reaction, that is preparation of haloarine, and previous two are halogen exchange. How halogen exchange takes place between chlorine, bromine and iodine, okay, which are named as Frankenstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. Okay. So complete this reaction, and next we will learn about physical properties of haloalkane. Okay. Thank you.